So now I'll just go to the interaction history. Let's say I have opened this customer profile and the customer name is Pramod. Now, before talking to the Pramod, I want to understand what is my previous interaction with this customer. So that call history will be shown over here. If I'm using a second option for calling where I want to get a call recording, so all those call recording will be stored right over here. So as a DSA, I can review my own call recording and then I can call this customer. Or as a manager, let's say the customer is giving some complaints and I want to review the call recording. All that I can do is that go here, search the customer and then go to the customer profile, check the recording and understand what is the interaction between the DSA and the customer. Now this is all about the interaction history. Last but not the least, which is very, very important in sales, is that how do I manage the document? I think this is something which is again a difficult task for the dealership, or when I say dealership, it is for the dealer sales executives or a direct selling agent, where customer is sending me the documents on WhatsApp. Customer is sending me the document on hard copy. I want to go and collect. Do I have a system where I can have a repository of all the document which is only related to Pramod? In this application you have. So all I'll do is that go to the document upload. Now there is a KYC which is required. There is a pay slip which is required. If customer is salaried and if he's owning his own business, then there is some other document which is required. So here are all the documents that is listed. Let's say I want to add a voter ID and I'll say it is a voter ID and I'll tell the customer that to send it on my WhatsApp. So if customer has sent to me on WhatsApp, so I'll choose the file here. Let's say there is a dummy image that I've kept and I'll click on upload. Like this, all the document which is necessary to purchase a vehicle or which the dealership wants from the customer can be saved and can be made as a repository in the application. Now this is another biggest benefit that a DSA will be getting, where this document will be stored, and let's say tomorrow management team, not a management team, let's say tomorrow manager or let's say admin team wants to download the document. Easily it can be done within a click of a button. Now the time is 11:40 and below you can see there is a sales follow-up is required to Sri. Can you all see this? I hope you can see the screen. Can you all see the notification reminder below? Can anyone say yes or no, please?
Yes.
So this is exactly the notification which is showing me that I am supposed to do a follow-up to Sri. So if I want to do a follow-up, all that I'll do is that click on this follow-up notification, then the customer profile will open. I'll go here to the disposition interaction form and I'll see what is my interaction. So this was my interaction with this customer and there is no call recording because the call was not initiated by me. So then I'll go back and I will call the customer and then I will do the next step. Whether it can be checking the vehicle interest or it can be scheduling an appointment for test drive or finally booking the vehicle. How do I book a vehicle? So let's say finally I want to do a booking. So I'll tell, did you talk to the customer? Yes. And I'll click on booking. So the system will ask what is the booking date, booking time, which model you want to book, fuel type, variant, and finally it will show the same status that you are seeing on top. So that before booking the customer, I'm very much sure that whether the test drive was done, whether the finance information was given or not, whether any exchange interest is there or not, I'll be able to see finally I will do the booking. All this booking will be stored in this bucket which is called as booking. This is where the application is helping a DSA starting from a lead generation till the booking part. From booking part, what exactly happens? It is very, very simple. You have your DMS, where you can download all the bookings and you will upload the data into the system. So system will tell the booking is done, that the data will go and sit in the invoice bucket or let's say the delivery bucket. Then finally, once the delivery is done for the vehicle, then you will upload the delivery report and all the vehicle will go out from the application. So from the starting, let's say, how do I even summarize? Let's say I've got an inquiry from the beginning. So let's say I got a customer and I've added a customer directly into the application. Then I will open the customer profile and what do I have? I have an option to make a click to call. I have an option to get the recording. I have an option to check all the information of this customer with respect to sales. I want to send any WhatsApp message to the customer, text message to the customer, I have that option. Third benefit is that I want to collect the information with respect to the vehicle information or I want to take an appointment for test drive. So that I'll be doing from the sales workflow or I'll be doing that directly from the disposition form. Once this option is done, all I want to see is that what is my previous interaction with the customer. So I'll be able to see that in the interaction history. Last but not the least, before taking a booking, I want to upload the document, relevant document to the customer. So I will add the document and finally take the booking. Currently, all these are done in a different parts. Inquiries coming on WhatsApp or a Google Sheet. Appointment is taken directly through call by manually calling the customer. I'm going to the customer house and document is collected and it is kept either in my phone or it is kept in a WhatsApp. In this application, all that you will be getting is that everything, all the details of this customer with respect to sales are kept in a single repository where I can easily understand the entire interaction that is happening with this customer, which is nothing but the stage, where exactly the customer stage is. So this is all about the sales application, Sales Garuda app that we have. Any questions anyone has?